So hey, what's up everyone, once again back with another video with a kind of messy look without any setup. But anyways, here you can see I have a Final Survive on my hand of L-Drago Destroy, but fully broken. As you can see guys, the screw attaching part are fully broken, and that is why no matter how much I try, I cannot attach these two parts using just screws. So we have to fix this in another way. अभी के लिए ये तो fully usable नहीं है, लेकिन इसका सारा फंक्शन ठीक ठाक काम कर रहा है, देख सकते हो यहाँ पर। बस इसका जो ये ऊपर का हिस्सा ये टूट चुका है, क्योंकि इसका जो स्क्रू का जो ढांचा या स्क्रूज का जो एरियाज है वो फुली टूट चुका है। तो जिससे कारण भाई समझ ही सकते हो, इसमें किसी भी तरह स्क्रू लगा के फिक्स तो नहीं कर सकता। तो इसको हमको थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट वे में फिक्स करना पड़ेगा, जो मैं तुम सबको आगे जाके वीडियो के अंदर दिखा दूंगा। So okay guys, let's just quickly get started and let's just quickly start the process of fixing this Final Survive. Let's get started. Alright, so since we cannot attach these two parts using screws, in that case we have to use super glue to attach these two parts, then we'll do the main work. So we have to be very careful, because while adding super glue, if somehow the super glue passes right through the mechanism, then as you can see what will happen. The mechanism or the functionality will not work anymore and the full Final Survive will be wasted, and I don't want that to happen. Well, इससे पहले भी मैंने एक Final Survive फिक्स किया था, ठीक है, तो मेरा थोड़ा सा तो अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस तो हो ही गया है कि कैसे इसको फिक्स किया जाता है। और बस हमको कुछ इस टाइप से अटैच कर देनी है। ओके, थोड़ा सा चेक कर लेते हो कि फाइनल सर्वाइव काम कर रहा है या नहीं। यहाँ भाई सब कुछ ठीक ठाक काम कर रहा है। ओके, तो अभी के लिए भाई हमने तो फुल अटैच कर लिया और अभी भी बहुत काम बाकी है। अब तो भाई मेन काम शुरू करने वाला हूँ मैं। तो चलो भाई, अब जल्दी से मैं तुम सबको मेन चीज़ दिखा देता हूँ। इट्स टाइम टू डू द मेन वर्क ऑफ फिक्सिंग दिस फाइनल सर्वाइव। नाउ वी नीड सम टेप लाइक दिस। यू कैन यूज एनी काइंड ऑफ टेप यू वांट, एक्सेप्ट कार्टून टेप्स और कॉस्ट टेप्स। डोंट यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंट टेप्स, दीज आर फुल्ली यूजलेस। Okay, so try to use a tape which is kind of thick or like this that I'm using in the video. So I'm going to use this for fixing this Final Survive. It's already fixed as you can see, but still not permanently fixed. You don't need that much, just a little bit of tape. And as I said guys, you can use any kind of tape you want, but make sure to use this kind of thick tapes, and we just have to attach it right at the side on the Final Survive like this. And there we go. And let me just quickly cut out the extra tape from the Final Survive. I'm finally done adding tape at both sides of the Final Survive, but still we are not done yet. We again have to add tape, but this time vertically. And there you go everyone, this is what I was talking about. So this is basically, you can say, plus shape taping, first horizontally then vertically. So this is how we have to add tape at the both sides. So let me just quickly complete the other side as well. So our Final Survive is almost fixed. We can use it now, but still I'm going to fix it fully permanently. Okay, and as you can see, the function is fully working. Everything is fully okay, no other issues. Okay, so I'm done with the taping, but now it's time to play with some fire. Okay, we just have to add a little bit of heat on the tape so that the tape gets fully attached with the Final Survive. So this is what we have to do using super glue. We just have to cover up the tape like this with super glue. Let me do the same thing on the other side. Just ऐसे भाई super glue रब करो और कुछ भी नहीं करने का. But be very careful guys कि super glue अंदर ना चला जाए, नहीं तो बहुत बड़ा पोपट हो जाएगा भाई। पूरा काम, पूरा मेहनत भाई पूरा पानी में चला जाएगा। सो वो मैं नहीं चाहता। हमको बहुत ही सावधानी के साथ ये करना है। ऑल्दो मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंस है भाई, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने ये सेम फाइनल सर्वे फिक्स किया था। ओके, दैट्स इनफ भाई, दैट्स इनफ। और आई थिंक मेरे को कुछ नहीं करने का ज़रूरत है, सब कुछ एकदम ठीक ठाक है अभी भी। अब इसको हम चलो सूखने देते हैं, उसके बाद इसको हम यूज़ करेंगे, टेस्ट करेंगे। Alright everyone, we are finally done fixing our Final Survive fully one piece, and as you can see it's fully working. So yeah, now we can use this Final Survive again, fully usable now. But yeah, I know many of you are gonna question me in the comments that bro, what is this white color things on all around the Final Survive at this corner? Well, these are actually baking soda they have added using super glue. But this is fully optional, you don't have to add baking soda, but I just added somehow, I don't know why, but I think this is important, that is why. Because as you know, the screws areas are fully broken, so that is why I thought if I add some baking soda as well, this will be fully permanently attached with the upper part of the Final Survive. Anyways भाइयों, हम फाइनली भाई फाइनल ड्राइव को फुली फिक्स कर चुके हैं और ये फुली फंक्शनल है। तो चलो भाई जल्दी से L-Drago के साथ ये अटैच करके असेंबल करके हम थोड़ा सा टेस्ट करके देखते हैं ये काम करता है या नहीं। एंड लेट्स जस्ट असेंबल एवरीथिंग टुगेदर। And there we go, here we have our Final Survive fully repaired. As you can see, the gimmick is working as well, no huge issues. Okay boys, now let's just quickly do some test battles to see if the Final Survive is still working or not after fixing. So there we go, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. So there goes attack mode. And now it's time for Final Survivor mode, slowly. So let's just wait. Come on, L-Drago, now it's time for final survivor mode. 3, 2, 1. And I don't know guys, I'm kind of worried because it's actually kind of taking longer than before, but let's see. Come on, final survivor mode, activate. And there we go guys, we have it. As you can see, now L-Drago is actually in final survivor mode. But yeah, it actually kind of took longer than before, to be honest. But no worries guys, as you can see, the gimmick is working. Okay, let's just quickly do some more battles. On, go shoot. And there goes the attack mode. And there we have it guys, final survivor mode now. So yeah, it's working guys. After fixing, still the final survive is working pretty well, as you can see. So not any huge issues. So yeah, finally I'm successfully done fixing the final survive. Okay, let's just end up this video with a final battle with Cosmic Pegasus. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. There goes the attack mode of L-Drago. And now it's time for final survivor mode. Come on, L-Drago. Okay, okay. And let's go guys, as you can see. Yep, the final survive is working pretty well. No huge issues. Now L-Drago is in final survivor mode. So yeah, finally done fixing. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.